Alright guys, welcome to your 8th Git tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to view the changes or differences between your working copy, which is the files that you're working on, and the main files in that Git repository or your main core project that usually, a lot of people are going to share. So let's go ahead and first actually make some differences. So right now I'm opening First Text, which is pretty much just one of our files, and I didn't make any changes yet. So this is the way that it appears in our main repository. So now let's just go ahead and on our working copy, we'll put something like Bucky is the best dude ever. And we'll go ahead and save that. So now, once we saved it, this file on our working copy is different from the one in our repository. But how exactly do we view these changes? Because, sometimes we make some changes to a file and we want to view the one in the repository, and this happens a lot whenever you're working with code, because you're like, alright, I want to know exactly the changes I'm doing and how this is going to affect the main project. So the first thing that we can do is type git status and hit enter, and it said, alright, right now you have one file, first.txt, and it's modified, meaning it's different from the one in the main project or the main repository. So how do we view what exactly is modified or different about it? Well, if you type git diff and hit enter, what this is going to do is, let me scroll down a little bit, this is going to show you the differences. So basically this red one right here says I am a ham, some people call me Sam. This is the one that's in your main repository, and this green one are the differences or the modifications that you made. So now what we can do is we can well, let's just go ahead and add it and commit it to the main project. So git, my freaking cursor's messing up, git add what was the name of it, first text, and then git commit with a message. Okay, we are committing our changes, and hit enter. And now if we do git status, it says alright, and for the fun of it, we'll just do git diff and hit enter. And what this command does is it shows you the differences between your working copy and the repository, and since everything is up to date and they match, there are no differences to see. Now another thing I want to show you guys is, let's just close out of this file, open second and third, is what happens when you make changes to more than one file. It looks a little bit different, so I'm going to show you that. We'll put for the second one, these are changes to the second file, la 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 la. Let's copy this. And these are changes to the third. Make sure to put that caps lock so you can see it. Alright, so now what we did is on our working copy, we changed more than one file. We changed the second and the third. They are now different from the repository. So now what we can do is open git bash, git status, hit enter, and right now git is saying, alright, you modified two files. So two files are different than the one on the repository. So what we can do is put git diff, hit enter. Let me scroll down so you guys can see. Alright, so what this is going to do now is it's going to go through one by one, file by file, and tell you exactly what is different from each file. So of course, just like before, the red lines are the original ones, or the ones in the repository, I should say, and the green is your working copy or the changes that you're about to make. So again, changes second, the green is what we just did. Pretty freaking easy once you know the core basics of it. So now what we can do is we can add both of them or all of them using period. Now everything is adding to the staging area, and we'll just go ahead and commit all of those and put here are some awesome changes to two files. I don't know, it's the greatest thing I can think of. Hit enter and boom, everything is up to date. Status enter, of course, if you put git diff to view the differences, there are none because our working directory now matches our repository. So that is how you view the differences in not only one file, but also view what changes you made in more than one file. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, all of my videos are on my website, buckysroom.org/videos. So if you want to check out all my videos and tutorials, do it there. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.